Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creme brulee croissants. We'll start by preparing a rich, creamy custard, then carefully fill our croissants. Next, we'll bake them to golden perfection, ensuring the custard sets beautifully inside. Finally, I'll guide you through creating that signature crisp, caramelized sugar topping. This easy guide will help you transform simple croissants into an impressive, decadent treat, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delightful dessert. To begin our delicious journey, we'll craft the luscious creme brulee custard. You'll need 4 egg yolks, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, whisked until light. Gently heat 1½ cups of heavy cream until it just simmers, then slowly temper it into your egg mixture. This prevents scrambling. Finally, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a perfectly smooth and silky texture, ready for filling. Now, let's prepare our croissants for their creamy filling. Carefully slice each croissant horizontally, making sure not to cut all the way through, creating a pocket. Using a piping bag, generously fill each croissant with the prepared custard. Once filled, arrange them on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the custard is set and the croissants are beautifully golden brown. For the grand finale, we'll create that iconic caramelized topping. Sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the custard-filled opening of each croissant. Then, grab your kitchen torch and, moving it continuously, melt and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful amber crust. Be careful not to burn it. Allow the caramelized sugar to cool and harden for a few minutes before serving. This creates that satisfying crack when you bite in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.